If you're looking to make your car faster, swapping out your stock torque converter is a great option, but some of the converters on the market don't work very well with an otherwise stock car. But when your car isn't properly tuned for a high stall speed torque converter, the transmission can hunt for gears the computer doesn't know what to do because the stall speed has changed. Today we're checking out a new converter from TCI. We're going to pull the bolt together converter apart and see what they have going on. Then we're going to install it into our Camaro SS and head to the drag strip. Our friend Anthony Smith will test it out on the road and in the 8th mile and see how much it improves from stock. The first thing you notice when you take it out of the box is the billet bolt together front cover. This is a feature that used to be exclusive to high dollar full race parts, but TCI has incorporated it into a converter designed and priced for the street strip guy. In addition to being able to take it apart, clean it, and service it, you can also change the stall speed by swapping internal components. TCI offers this converter with 3 stall speed ranges: 26 to 2700 RPMs, 28 to 2900 RPMs, and 31 to 3200 RPMs. For our mostly stock SS, TCI recommended the 26 to 2700 stall converter. But if we want to change this stall speed in the future because of engine mods or a different suspension setup, we can just order a new stator and change it ourselves. The converter is fully furnace brazed and a precision ground billet impeller hub, CNC machine billet front to reduce ballooning, and a pre-hardened billet turbine hub, lockup piston, and clutch hub. Stock and many aftermarket lockup clutch converters don't have nearly the torque capacity of this unit, and even mildly modified LS engines will tear them up pretty quickly if the clutch engages with a lot of torque going through the converter. This TCI clutch is designed to handle wide open lockup without an issue. It also has an industry-exclusive self-regulating clutch hub that hydraulically modulates the apply pressure for what TCI claims is the smoothest engagement of any 6L80 converter on the market. Now, let's get the converter put back together and get it into our Camaro so we can go and test it out. TCI says that this bolt-together torque converter is a perfect replacement for the factory unit. It locks up on the highway just like a factory converter, but they advertise a gain of 7/10 in the 8th mile. Now that the factory converter has been replaced with TCI's bolt-together torque converter, let's head to the drag strip. To make sure our Camaro is consistent, we need an experienced driver. We asked our friend Anthony Smith, an NMCA Outlaw 85 champion, to drive the Camaro in stock form and to put it through its paces with the new TCI bolt-together torque converter installed. We also threw on a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tires to make sure the car went as fast as possible in stock form and with the new torque converter installed from TCI. How did the Camaro drive down the highway? Because you drove it a pretty good distance.
Yeah, we drove about an hour and a half out here. It drove completely stock, like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Zero change, drivability is completely stock.
And that's exactly what TCI advertises. But the thing we're going to find out tonight is if their advertised 7/10 gain in the 8th mile is true.
Those are some big shoes to fill. 7/10 is a lot for just one simple change. All we can do is put it in the beams and see what it does.
Exactly. We're going to get him down the strip and see how much faster it goes. The sunlight's gone away, the lights are coming out on the track. Let's get you into the driver's seat.
Let's get it done.
The best 8th mile time the Camaro ran in stock form was 9.16 seconds at 78 miles per hour. Let's see how much we pick up with the new TCI converter. After the first shakedown run, it was clear the car was faster than stock. Anthony let out before the end of the track and the car almost matched its best stock time. Dude, that run looked great.
It felt great.
I mean, 919.
919, and I lifted on the top end.
That's what I was wondering. It looked like you let out.
I did.
Okay.
I did. I was just going for the front half numbers, and it actually went pretty quick.
So let's just hot lap it.
All right, sounds good.
All right. The car gets faster every single run. Anthony's adjusting tire pressure and launch RPM between each pass to find the car's sweet spot. Our Camaro just went 870, which is a huge improvement from stock. Let's see if Anthony can dial the car in a little bit more and pick up the full 7/10 of a second TCI claims. So we just got done running the Camaro a bunch of different times, and it went pretty dang quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to eat crow on this. It did what they said it was gonna do. It got 7/10.
I was super impressed. It got the full 710. How did it feel in the car?
Like nothing. I mean, just like driving around light to light on the street, right down the track, just as smooth as can be. It sailed right down the track. No complaints whatsoever.
Cruising on the freeway, going down the track, going faster, smooth.
Smooth. No difference at all. You can't even tell that anything was even done. It just picks up 7/10. Who knew?
Out of nowhere. All it was a converter. If you want to check out more information on the converter or get one for your car, check out TCIauto.com. But for now, I'm guessing you want to keep racing.
Yeah, I want to go make some more laps.
All right, let's get up there.